Over the years, you've been looking at the photos that we've been posting up of this collection and some of the videos that we've been doing from the place. And one thing that I can say is pictures do not do it justice. You walk into this facility, you see this shrine to automobiles. There's over 100 individual carvings representing the history of transportation. It took 3 years to build, 8,500 square feet, and it's just the absolute best of everything. One of the special pieces up on the wall, it's a Cavallino that was one of the 3 original on the gates of the Ferrari factory in Maranello, Italy. So that just makes it more special of a place to go visit. This collection of cars is ever evolving. There's only one car from that original collection that still remains, and that's a very rare Ferrari 599 GTB in a manual transmission. Everything else has come and gone. The owners, they are some of the nicest and most accommodating people that you can ever meet. Stunning facility, amazing cars to see every time that we're there. So we're glad that we have the opportunity to work on this collection, and we're also very proud to be able to share it with all of you.